Emergency light. Tawa na lang ako pag order ko, ganito kaliit. Anong maiilawan nito? Yung kaartehan ko kasi, yung mga emergency light na nakikita natin, my issue with them is that they use SLA batteries. The problem with SLA batteries is it's kind of old school already. So I'm looking for emergency lights that use lithium-ion batteries. It's more durable, it lasts longer, and iwas problema. The problem with that, Excel lang yung brand na nagkikarry ng emergency light na lithium-ion yung batteries. I just didn't know that it would be this tiny. So for us to test that, kailangan natin patayin yung ilaw, di ba? Okay. Kunyari, semi-brown out. I think it has to charge first. Hey! It's bright! Hey! Maliwanag! Not bad! Not bad! Chat, thank you. Please make me feel good. Uy, sige na! Para hindi ko ma-regret yung purchase, di ba?